Hey guys, just wanted to show you this real quick setup I've got to maintain this gravel-ish road. I was having trouble bridging the holes that were developing, and you know how difficult it is to fill them in with the bucket as it's not very wide. So I had this piece of 2x6 1/4-inch tubing laying around, and I decided to hook it up real quick to the chains that hold the boom up when in transport. And I just kind of rigged some stuff up here real quick. I did this real fast last night, and I'm using the bucket. It's just sitting on the piece of 2x6, putting weight on it, and it is absolutely crazy how well this works. So I wanted to show you real quick just how simple and easy and effective this is. Obviously, by changing the lengths of the chain, I can adjust how much I angle the tube, which is extremely important for being able to bridge the holes. And you want the piece to bridge forward and backwards, if that makes any sense, because if you have a bar that goes straight across the road, you'll end up developing whoops or a series of bumps in there. You can see it gets a little packed with debris on the edge every once in a while, but it still works really well. So I figured I would share real quick.